Hey there, my name's David. On this episode I'm going to be taking you through changing mindset for weight loss. Now, I have many mindset videos on my channel, but specifically we're going to give you a tip on not what you should be eating or when you should be eating, which can be very important, but where you should be eating your food. And a simple mindset trick to reset your system if you're looking to get on a weight loss plan, especially with the new year coming here. So when we eat dinner, think about this. You eat at your dinner table, or maybe in front of the couch, or at your computer. There's a place where you always eat your dinner, eat your breakfast, your lunch, at least at home. Maybe it's in your car. It's always fast food in your car. So think about where you eat most of your meals. A simple way to get into a new weight loss plan and actually stick to it is to change where you eat your food. So you have all these good feelings and like attached to these meals that you shouldn't be eating, whether it's burgers or pizzas every night or whatever it is, and you're always eating them at that table, you're at your computer, in your car, whatever it is, fast food. So if you change just that simple thing of where you're eating your food, you'll have at least a much better chance at changing what you're eating. So think about this. So say if you're always eating your car, and so then instead of eating your car, maybe you're on the go and you have to eat in your car, you have to eat somewhere on the go. You can't eat at home for dinner for whatever reason, maybe you're a truck driver or whatever it is. So then maybe go eat at a park bench, or go pop the back of the back hatch of your vehicle and then sit on the back hatch and eat there, and not in your driver's seat, or eat just in the back seat of your vehicle. Just eat somewhere different. So when you do this, then you won't have all those attached memories to all the pizza and the junk food that you normally eat. So when you think about this, like, okay, tonight I'm gonna go eat dinner in the back seat of my vehicle or at a park bench or something, then you can be like, oh, I should really be eating healthy. Maybe you go get that, whatever it is, a Chipotle wrap or something instead of that greasy burger, and when you go eat it in that other spot, you'll start attaching this new place with the healthy food. And so all you have to do is in those weak moments, because it's not when we're strong that you need help, it's when you're weak. Sometimes you're just like, oh, I just really want a pizza, and I had a bad day at work, and my boss was a jerk, and blah, blah, blah. There's all this stuff that comes up. In those weak moments, all you have to do is go sit in that back seat, or drive to that park bench, and with that in mind that you're gonna do that, you'll go buy that healthy salad or wrap or whatever it is versus the greasy burger or the pizza. It's as simple as that. This actually can work for your business as well. So whenever I need to get a lot of clarity and I really need to get a lot of writing done on my main channel, writing my scripts, I will grab my phone. I'll grab two phones actually, and I'll come down to the dock here. Actually, not this dock, I can show you here behind me. I go over to this dock over there. There's the second dock, and I'll park my car there because there's some free Wi-Fi, and I'll write the script in my car just because it gets me out of my house, out of my space, and it's just a different environment. And now I've associated this environment with good, fast script writing. So the same thing can happen with weight loss or anything else in your business. So if you really need to, create a new space for success, and you know that is your successful space to eat healthy food. Arm's killing me. So the best way to start this is to first bring a salad or a wrap or whatever it is, like whatever healthy choice, some couscous with vegetables, whatever it is, and bring it to that space and eat that meal there. And so you start off on a good note. And to create a new good habit, you're gonna need multiple iterations. I think the number's like 22 times or something like that. I find that to be accurate. After about 20 times, like after morning runs, about 20 times in a row, it's like, okay, I got it. Now I'm doing morning runs at 5, 6 a.m. But it does take multiple times. So if you really pre-plan those meals okay, I'm gonna stop off at Chipotle and I'm gonna get the healthy wrap. I'm not gonna get all the extra greasy cheese in there or whatever it is. Then you can start setting yourself up for success, and then it'll be when you're, like I said, in the weaker moments or whatever, and you're really wanting that burger, and like, no, I'm in a habit of just getting my salad from Whole Foods and going to that park bench or sitting in the back of my car to make sure I'm eating healthy and not just eating pizza or the burger in the front seat. Give this tip a shot and let me know in the comments below if it helps you out. I got a lot more. I'm going to be dishing out a lot more tips on this channel here, so be sure to subscribe if you want some more weight loss advice, and until next one, have a good one.